Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find your BSC, Binance Smart Chain, wallet address in Binance. Whether you're depositing USDT or any other coin, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, make sure to watch carefully till the end, and let's get started. Step 1. Open the wallet section. First, open the Binance app on your device. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the wallet icon to access your wallet dashboard. Step 2. Select Deposit option. Once you're in the wallet section, tap on the Deposit button. This is where you'll find the options to deposit funds into your Binance account. Step 3. Search for your coin. In the search bar, type the name of the coin you want to deposit. For example, let's use USDT for this demonstration. Tap on USDT from the list that appears. Step 4. Select the BSC network. After selecting your coin, you'll see a list of networks. Look for BNB Smart Chain, BSC, in the options. Tap on BSC, which represents the Binance Smart Chain network. Step 5. Copy the wallet address. Once you've selected BSC, your BSC deposit address will appear on the screen. Simply copy the address by tapping on the copy icon. Now, you can use this address to deposit funds to your Binance account via the BSC network. Always double-check that you're using the correct network, BSC in this case, when transferring funds. Sending coins through the wrong network might result in a loss of funds, so take extra care. And that's it. You've successfully found your BSC wallet address on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.